Okay, we're here. This is the Angel's Landing in Zion.
Got a few hours hike to go.
It's changed from 7 to 3.9 to 3, but
This one, right?
yeah, that's the one we're doing, yeah. So we can see the kind of route here.
Oh, 5.4.
There we go. And yeah, it's just the start. 7 people since 2004. We're getting higher.
Snowflakes.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the people.
Looks there's timing from here.
They're all switching back on this trail all the way up. And here's our trail here. We've actually found a bench and a couple of benches so far.
Oh, nice trail.
Got a bit of fog, saw a bit of snow. We're April right now, so it's a good time to visit. Hey, he's up to some goods, isn't he?
Yeah.
Get a bit interesting now. We're gonna do some rocky switchbacks. How's the trail?
Hard work.
I heard you don't like switchbacks.
Almost doesn't look real.
The valley's getting better from up here. Seems kind of calm and peaceful. Like, how is there a river up this high?
What you found, husband?
I think we're going up again. That's the wall I want. It's like Donkey Kong, you know?
Ah, it is.
You going up those things. Flaming barrel. Flaming barrel's down there. Yeah, look at that valley. But now you do.
That's funny. You know, I still wouldn't.
Okay, we've had a chipmunk down there. Yeah, We're summited, first summit. There's another half-mile over there. The chain fence. Yeah, it's snowing and it's sunny. So, the weather's a bit ambivalent right now. Yeah, but yeah, beach, look. Did you bring your bucket and spade? There's chipmunks everywhere. Alright, let's do this. How shy is he? He ain't shy. Yeah, so here's the first bit here. You can see what we got on the bus actually.
You gotta grip that phone.
Look, you see all the switchbacks over there for another trail. There's a big mountain ridge there as well. That's the one we're going up right there. Yeah, crazy view though. The old brown Virgin River there. Amazing.
I'm watching you. Oh. Here we go.
Alright, here we go. Hazardous during ice and snow. Well, it is snowing. People are still getting up, you know, people do. But so are we. There we go, look. That's the route. This is what we're going to be holding all the ways up. I think it's pretty solid. There we go. Right then. How is it?
It's just insane.
On a narrow little edge, look, it's pretty much just drops off right there. It's an interesting hike. That's pretty much it. And if you look over here, there's nothingness. There's a tree on a corner. It's a tree on a corner right there. Amazing. Yeah, there's a little bit more. The valley. We'll see that in a second. You know when you think you've done something, and then you see this,
Oh my god.
and that, and all of that. I realise, yeah, you're not actually there at all. Hey, how you doing? Not good. It's pretty thin, isn't it?
Really scary.
Yeah, that's where we came from. Crazy, huh?
Why do you make it look like it's just perfectly fine?
Hold the rail for safety. Bit technical, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing? Yeah, check it out. Maybe.
Wow. Just unreal.
Yeah, it's half a mile. All the way to here and over there. Yeah, another summit, another stretch in the distance. This is the trail now. It's kind of like aslant.
Absolutely terrifying.
Yeah, we're nearly there. Look at the views you're gonna get.
If I don't fall to my death, I have a heart attack.
Well, we've finally done it.
What they see every day.
What's it been? A couple hours, you think?
Yeah.
A couple hours, yeah. Finally made it to the top. It's still snowing the tiniest bit, but it's okay. So, yeah, shuttle stop down there. There's the Virgin River again. There's the scenic drive. There's a pretty cool view from up here of that little island. Is that Big Bend? I don't know. I just caught it. Caught it on the leaf on the way. Waterfall down there. And over here we got snacking, made it to the top there. It's only on the freeway, it said severe winter storms, but so I guess that's why it's not as busy. And it is a Wednesday in April, so there's that. But yeah, that's the trail we took. This whole ridge all the way here, and that's Angel's Landing right here. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, there he goes. That's snowing up there a bit. Look at that. Detouring on the edge. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of chipmunks up here. So. Oh yeah, that. Yeah. There's a Big Bend. Yeah, that baby on the edge, look at that. Just flip over the edge. There's Bud. Yeah, Angel's Landing. Right. We did it. You're dancing.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Scared the crap out of me.
No, I don't have any. No, it wasn't.
He didn't believe you.
I found it.
Oh my god.
Don't get me in trouble. This is mine.
Oh my god.
You're not having any.